Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang magandang hakbang na ginawa ng mga organizers sa Maisog Rally sa Dumaguete. Kasi grabe yung panggigipit. Yung LGU permit na in-issue, in-approve, kinancel. Mamaya, yung Freedom Park na venue ng Maisog Rally sa Dumaguete City, according to Ma'am Loren Badoy, may order daw ang provincial governor ng Negros sa police, PNP provincial director, na barikadahan yung venue ng Maisog Rally. So yun, ang naging hakbang ng organizers is dudulog sa korte. Okay, TRO ata. Pakinggan natin si Ma'am Loren Badoy sa kanilang programa sa Pilipinas Pilipinas Nating Mahal.
10 a.m. this morning, the provincial government has ordered the provincial PNP and directorate to barricade yung Freedom Park. Ang ibig sabihin nun, ayaw ni bawal pumasok kahit na sino dyan sa ironically named Freedom Park. So, itong Marcos administration na to, napaka-seryoso na mga violations niya, no, sa Bill of Rights, no? Pinakamataas na mga karapatan natin yan. So anyway, our group will file a TRO in court also today. Pero tuloy ang rally.
So ibig sabihin, Ma'am Lorena, before ang reaction ni Attorney Jing Paras, former Congressman Jing Paras, there are now physical barricades being put up by the PNP in a public place, in a Freedom Park. As ordered by the provincial governor. Ma'am, hold your line and we will take the reaction ng taga dyan mismo na naging kongresista, taga-representa ng boses ng mamamayan sa area ng Negros Oriental. Attorney Jing Paras, did you see the physical situation right now as reported by Ma'am Lorraine? At ano po ang inyong gustong ipabatid?
Well, I am surprised of that development kasi po I had a chance to speak with my good friend Mayor Ipe Remulio last night. Kasi po I really want to hear from the horse's mouth what really happened, no? Bakit kinansila? And in fact, the good mayor denied that he ever canceled the rally. On the contrary, it was daw the organizer. Originally, there was an applicant by the name of Samson who himself initiated the cancellation. Then kasi itong Samson at saka a certain Glenn Badoy or Glenn Badon, Glenn Badon, hindi naman sila authorized ng anong tawag dito, ng real organizer.
Okay.
Ano? So, according to the mayor, he did not receive any application. On the contrary, instead of an application, it was a request to the city police to have policemen be the security of the rally. Pero nagsumulat daw yung police sa kanya, chief of police, na kulang sila ng enough policemen to provide the security. Tapos pumunta yata yung organizer, certain Pinpin, and sabi daw na hindi sila nag-apply, but sabi daw ni Pinpin na hindi na bali, sir, kung walang police, we will just take the risk. So sabi ni Mayor, mahirap yan, you better give us a letter waiver kasi mahirap ako mananagot niyan kung may mangyari dyan sa rally. But anyway, sabi daw ni Pinpin na nakahanap na sila ng private place.
Okay.
But it turned out later na napayagan daw ng Freedom Park. Kasi sabi ni Mayor, actually, they were allowed to hold it in the Pantawan, but hindi naman pinursue. So yung po ang nangyari. So that is from the mouth of the mayor.
excuse me, may clarify tayo. I-clarify muna namin ni Ma'am Lorraine. Number one, the mayor was telling us, through you, that there was no formal official permit application, but rather letter of coordination sa police ng mga supposedly rally organizer.
That's exactly what he told me. And he was waiting daw for that letter. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, pare, di ba hindi naman kailangan ng permit yung park dyan sa Dumaguete City? Sabi niya, hindi naman. Pero hindi naman sila nag-apply kasi sabi nila, lilipat na sila sa isang private place.
Okay.
So, yun ang huli naming exchange of work.
Sorry, Jing.
Sige ma'am, your interaction in update.
I know that Mayor Ipe Remolyo is really mabait yan, but I'm sorry to tell you that he's lying. Okay? And he comes on air, he comes here on air, we're inviting him, he can come here and clarify clearly, kung ano yung sinasabi niya. Because bakit tayo aabot sa TRO, kung nagsasabi siya ng totoo?
So, anong information po ninyo, Ma'am Lorraine? And by the way, Ma'am Lorraine, Yusik Jing Paras, we will try to connect kay Mayor Remolyo.
Okay, so, yun na. Nag-file na ang mga organizers ng temporary restraining order sa korte sa Dumaguete para mapawalang visa yung order ng provincial governor ng Negros Oriental. Correct me if I'm wrong. Negros Oriental. Order niya sa PNP na lagyan ng barikada ang Freedom Park, yung venue ng Maisog Rally. So according to Ma'am Badoy, nilagyan na ng barrier. Grabe naman ang tinawag na nga Freedom Park eh. So very ironic Mag-rally, tapos barikadahan mo, the same style sa Bustos. Sa Bustos, Bulacan lang, private venue, nilagyan ng mga harang. Plus mga more or less 300 na mga tao na may dalang pamalo. So, kinancel ang rally. Dito ata, whatever happens, parang itutuloy ang rally kahit may barikada. So sana pagbigyan ng korte yung hiling na TRO para matuloy na ang rally. So, to me, that's a very wise move. Yung pag-file ng TRO sa korte. Ang problema, kung ang korte naman hindi inaksyonan kaagad, wala ring silbi. So, ito na yung height of oppression. Bakit ayaw payagan ng administrasyon? By the way, may nabasa akong post sa social media na yung anak ni Mayor A.P. Remolyo, Deon ata, basta anak niya, nagtatrabaho sa opisina ni Speaker Martin Romualdez as Chief Political Officer. So, ibig sabihin, konektado sila kay Speaker Romualdez. So, duda lang ito, haka-haka lang na baka utos na ng taas na huwag niyong payagan mag-rally sila sa Dumaguete. To me, it's a very big political mistake. Hinuhukay nila ang kanilang libingan sa politika, itong ginagawa nilang ito. What's the essence of democracy kung yung Bill of Rights, yung karapatan ng bawat mamamayan for a peaceful assembly, right to assemble, freedom of expression. Magsasalita naman lang takot sila kay PRRD na magsalita na naman. Ay nako. So, matutuloy kaya ang Maisog Rally? Abangan natin na May 7 ba yun? Kung May 7, I'm not sure sasabay sa hearing sa hearing sa Senado yung PDLX. So, to me, mas maganda, mas pabor sa Maisog Rally organizers kung palagi nilang iganyan kasi ang taong bayan lalong magagalit. Pwede nilang i-cancel lahat ang mga pagbawalan lahat ng mga Maisog Rallies. Kailang ang taong bayan na nagmamasid, hina-highlight ng mga vloggers itong pangyayaring ito, unti-unti ang taong bayan madidismaya, magagalit sa administrasyong ito at later on kung ano ang itinanim mo, yun din ang aanihin mo.